Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2012 Audi A5 2.0 Turbo maintenance light reset. First of all, go ahead and turn on your car without starting. And we're going to be using these buttons over here. As you can see, there is a car button, a scroller, and middle for enter. Okay, now we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and press car. And when you press car, you're going to come to this screen. And go ahead and use the scroller to go down to service interval display. Go ahead and enter on that, and as you can see, I've reset it already, but you can reset it over and over if you want. You scroll down to reset oil change interval and go ahead and click on yes. Scroll up to yes, click enter, and there you go, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.